Hey guys, welcome back to Staycationers. Today we're taking you to one of our favorite unlimited sushi conveyor belt restaurants here in Makati for only 799 pesos on weekends. Are you ready? Let's go! Once you're in the area, turn right to the Rosa Access Road 3 and just go straight ahead. When you see this entrance, head right in. Just present a valid ID and let them know you're going to Sushi Marami. From there, proceed to Basement 5, which is the parking area for building customers. Car park rates are 60 pesos for the first 2 hours and 20 pesos for every succeeding hour. Then, take the elevator up to level 2 where the restaurant is located. Turn left, then right, but before heading in, we stop by the ATM since they only accept cash payments. Make sure you have extra cash with you. But don't worry, there's an ATM nearby if you need it. Once you arrive, just enter through the main entrance. If there's a waiting list, they'll call your name once your table is ready. Here are the prices.
Alright, for weekdays and holidays, 799 each, lunch or dinner. For weekdays, 699 for lunch, and dinner is 799. Alright, let's get in. Let's check out the place, guys.
But since we went on a Sunday, ours was 799 pesos per person. After being seated, you'll be asked to choose your side dishes. For us, we got chicken karaage, shrimp tempura, mango salad, and kani salad. And yes, these are unlimited too.
For the conveyor, guys, feel free to get anything you want since nagre-replenish naman sila from time to time. Medyo maaga lang kami kaya medyo konti pa lang yung nakalagay.
They also serve unlimited selecta ice cream, usually in chocolate and ube flavors. You can even make your own waffles. They offer hot pot options as well, but honestly, we couldn't handle more food. So instead, we'll just show you some of the extra toppings they provide.
For the hot pot toppings, guys, nagre-replenish naman sila. Sadyang yung pag-video ko dito is hindi pa. So, konti pa lang yun nandyan. So, afterwards naman nag-replenish sila. Guys, kung ayaw nyo ng red and blue iced tea nila, meron din naman silang ino-offer na soft drinks. Yun nga lang, hindi yan kasama sa mga unlimited. Separate pay siya.
For the conveyor, you can grab as much sushi as you want. But remember, only take what you can actually finish. There is a fine of 200 pesos if you can't finish your food.
So guys, ito yung sushi conveyor nila. So make sure lang na kaya nyo talaga maubos kasi halos lahat may rice yan. Mabilis kayo mabubusog. So, ako more on tempura kasi yung kinukuha ko dito dahil wala lang, fan ako ng tempura guys. Yung sushi, sakto lang. Pero since nga only naman din lahat, so lahat naman pwede nyo matikman. Ito guys, pinaka-reason ba't kami pabalik-balik kasi favorite ko yung tempura saka yung chicken karaage nila. Sobrang sarap niyan. Saka masarap din yung mango salad and yung kani salad nila. Kaya guys, side dishes pala, mabubusog na kayo. Kaya sulit ng sulit yung 799.
Personally, my favorite is the red iced tea. It's so good, I swear it could be its own reason to come back here. The miso soup is also really nice. Definitely a must try. Now, let's make a waffle. They have the ready-made batter on the side. Just pour it into the waffle maker, wait for it to cook, and once the machine beeps, it's waffle time.
If ever naman guys, mahirapan kayo sa paggawa ng waffle, meron silang manual dito or pa-assist na lang kayo sa staff. Very friendly naman sila lahat dyan. Okay guys, once done na yung waffle nyo, pwede nyo na siyang lagyan ng chocolate syrup and honey syrup. Nasa sa inyo naman yan kung gusto nyo parehas or chocolate lang or honey syrup. Pero sa amin, mas prefer namin na parehas. Mas masarap. Try nyo. O diba, ito na siya guys. Ito na yung waffle namin na may chocolate syrup and honey syrup. Sobrang sarap niyan guys. Sobrang crunchy. Siyempre guys, mawawala ba yung dessert? Meron din sila ditong unlimited ice cream and hindi lang to basta ice cream guys. Selecta ice cream to. Meron silang chocolate and ube flavor. So kayo na bahala kung anong gusto nyo. Pero kami, prefer namin is chocolate. Medyo struggle lang kasi bagong stock lang yung kakalagay kaya medyo matigas pa siya.
And that's it for today's vlog. See you in our next food and travel adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're a fan of sushi and Japanese food.